Good morning, Priyanshi.
Good morning, ma'am.
Today we held a CPR training activity in our school, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So, shall I ask you, did you get what have you taught in the teaching?
Yes, ma'am. That was a very good session and very helpful to us.
Okay. So, what did you learn? What are the steps to be followed? Or may I first ask, what is CPR?
CPR, cardiopulmonary resuscitation. It means that if the heart stops working, so we compress the chest and plumb the blood in the brain again, and the brain starts working again if the person is unconscious. The steps of CPR are as follow. First, we check the scene safety. If we are only not safe, then how we can help the other person or make him safe? So we check the scene. If there is fire, so we don't go near that, and if there is accident on road, so we just help the person and make him slept on the aside so that we can give him CPR. And the next step is checking for response. First, we will check that if the person is alive or not. We will shake his shoulders and ask him if you are okay. And if there is no response, then we will move to third step.
Okay, but if the person is responding, will you still give CPR to him?
No, ma'am. We will not give CPR as it is a painful procedure, and the person will not able to help that because he is conscious and
Correct.
he doesn't need that.
Okay, continue.
And then we have a third step that we call for call for help. First, if we have mobile phone, we can call for 108 ambulance helpline. If there is no network or we don't have mobile, we will just call from the crowd. If there is no crowd, we will speak on the top of our lungs for helping that person. We will call out for help. If the person come, then we both will help them. And then the fourth step is I will start giving CPR. That is quality
And how
chest
will you
compression.
locate the position of heart?
Ma'am, first we see there are rib cages and lungs. So in between them, we will position our hand, and in the sternum we will give CPR from the heel of a hand. Our fingers will be interlocked like this, and from the position here, we will kneel down and we will continue give CPR. Parallelly, I will call another person for the help, and he will or she will. Then, if I'm tired, then continue giving CPR.
And may I ask, what will be the position of your elbows when you are giving CPR?
They will be straight, they will be interlocked together, so we can give CPR from our hand. We will not do any movement from our elbows, we will do movement from our hips.
And the speed of CPR is?
And speed of CPR should be 100 to 120, 100 to 120 CPR in 1 minute, and we can do that in 30 steps, 30 steps in 5 sets.
Okay. Akshat, what will you do if you are called by Priyanshi for help?
I will मैं उसके लंग के बीच में पंप करूंगा ऐसे इंटरलॉक करके, नील डाउन, फिर फास्ट, और हमें स्पीड और रैप्स का ध्यान रखना है. 30 रैप्स 30 सेट्स 5 रैप 30 रैप्स 5 सेट्स.
और जब तक आप ये कर रहे होंगे तब प्रियांशी आप क्या करेंगे उस वक्त?
I'll give him rescue breathe until he or she, the person, doesn't respond. Until the time if ambulance arrives, and we will shift him in the ambulance.
अक्षत, आप ये बताइए कि CPR करना जरूरी क्यों है?
ताकि जब तक मेडिकल हेल्प या फिर एम्बुलेंस आ रही है तब तक हम ब्लड सर्कुलेशन को कंटिन्यू रखें. अगर ब्लड सर्कुलेशन ब्रेन तक नहीं पहुंचेगा तो ब्रेन डेड हो सकता है, इसलिए हमें ये करना जरूरी है.
और जितना हम लेट करते हैं वो 10% खत्म, मतलब 10% उसके चांसेस पर्सन के सर्वाइव करने के वो खत्म होते रहते हैं इन 1 minute. So each minute is important as brain stops working in 4 minutes.
Okay. So will you as the individuals of society help the person if they are getting heart attack or if they are drowning? Will you help the person? Will you go out for helping them and provide CPR?
Yes, definitely.
Yes, we will help them because as being a human being, it's a duty to help another human being and save their lives.
Okay. So please continue to do CPR whenever there is an emergency, whenever if it is needed. You should go for help and save the life of a person.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.